quick reading for the entire month of February. Libra, we have the Ace of Swords, the Four of Cups, and the Lovers. So parang ang tingin kasi natin, no, in the past days or weeks or probably last month na talagang nanlalamig si person. Pero I feel like this February, magkakaroon tayo na parang working on the connection, ibabalik uli na yung warmth. Kung ano yung naramdaman mong lamig yung mga previous days or months, that is a pace. I feel like meron din ditong realization of eto na yung destined para sa akin. Eto na yung tao na makakasama ko habang buhay. Makikita din natin dito yung mag-exert ng effort, no, sa ating si person. Chances are, siguro nung mga nakaraang araw or buwan, medyo in doubt si person, pero ngayon medyo certain na siya, no? So may progress. This is your quick reading for the entire month of February, Libra.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me back.